Hello students, today chapter number 1 we will learn the high level language. Dear students, already you learned the machine language and assembly language. Two things already learned, but we saw that we face so many problems. Okay, with that two language, we saw the so many problems occurred. Clear? Why these two languages we got the many problem? Because that two languages were the low level language. Remember that two language were the low level language. So that's why so many processors did not support the many complex words or many that difficult solution did not solve. Okay. So that's why the high level language came to overcome of that our issue. Okay. Suppose we have seen when the machine language came, it was taking too much time to solve our solution. They could not read the complex function. They could not read our big mathematical problem. They could not read to translate our English conversation. They could not show our big application software. They could not did that is many picture movement. Okay, so many things we did not get. Okay. We have changed the very different type of processor. The low level language did not support. So that's why high level language came and they solve out very big solutions. Why? Suppose I am saying we put our English word. It's high level language. It is very easy to convert English word to machine language. Okay. Why these things high level language became they are very easier? Because it is not for machine independent. It is user friendly. User friendly means we have created our main programming. Then we put that machine and it converted from our language to the machine language. That's why it is very easy to operate of this one. Clear? Machine language. Suppose you are giving some special character. You know the special characters like that at the rate of asterisks, stars, many things, special character. It was very easy to solve, very easy to understand. Suppose you are writing in English word. We know that English word computer not understands. Okay, so it converted only to the digital. Computer knows only 1 and 0. Okay, so it is very easy to convert 1 to 0, digital format. So my dear students, high level language it supports to make convert to very easy things. Similarly, if you see to the makes complex mathematical problem, mathematical solutions, computers that high level language it can solve easier. Okay. One more thing, through high level language we can do the compile, we can find the error, we can do the debugging. These are the facility of the high level language. It was not for machine dependent. It is not independent of machine. It is user friendly. Okay. So these are the many programming languages like C, C++, Java. These are the programming language for support of this high level language. So if we can use this kind of programming language, so through this language we can make our own software. Okay, we can make our types of games also through this programming language. So the problem is in the high level language. What is the facility or more facility there? My dear, if I say you, suppose what math I gave you, then you did. Now you want to see now it is the math is correct or wrong. To whom you will give? The teacher to check the math and find the error. If it is the mistake, where is the mistake? So this kind of solution things you want. So to whom you are giving? To teacher. Teacher is finding your mistake. If it is not mistake, then teacher will say, okay, good. We will give the remark. It's correct. Similarly, here also we got, okay, that these are the programming language. Here we can make our own software, whatever computer can understand. Okay, user can understand easily. Nowadays you can see many varieties types of games, types of application software. Whatever you say the app, it is the mobile app, and then plenty of apps you are using in mobile, computer, and everywhere. Okay, so nowadays you are saying app, but it is, remember, this is for application software. So who has made? Some software engineer that made. Where it has made? These are the programming language. They have used for programming language for. Okay? Then it's very easy. Happen to use of user can use very easier. Okay? HighLevel language is the place it can support of this kind of programming language to do work. Okay? So this HighLevel language came for user dependent only. Whatever user want, user can make it here. That's why so many processors can support of this kind of language. Okay. Now your book has given already some example of HighLevel languages given: C++, Java, PHP, so on. Okay. These are the programming language. Through this programming language, we can make it our own. Okay. Now, one thing we can do here, we can make the compile of the programs. Compile means our language will read to the machine language, and through the machine language we will find our debug, our errors. Okay. HighLevel language will support us compile, and this is for finding the errors. Okay. These errors. So easily we can find the error from there. Okay. The HighLevel language support us to find this. I was discussing about the mistake. This compile, if you do the compile of the program, means full program you have wrote. Okay, you have written a full program. After this, whenever you are giving to execute of the program, means inside that what is going on? In the finding, where is the mistake before the execute the program. So this facility will get the HighLevel language. Okay, these are all the advantages of these are the HighLevel language. If I say you what is the disadvantage of this one, obviously disadvantage of this. You know that every medicine has one side effect. One side effect obviously is there. So HighLevel language also side effect is there. One disadvantage. What is that? It is the take much time. Why? To read of this one. This is for plenty space to take. Your memory take more space. That is for big program and it occupied plenty space. So whenever you will read this program, so it will take time. I am saying to one example. Normally, if you want to open that any computer, you see easily you can open it. But whenever you will give to the themes, if you open any games, you see it will take time. Why? Because these are the many themes we have given, many facilities have given, many options given. So all the files, very big file happen. So there, all the files, if whenever they will read, it will must take time. Okay. So these are the disadvantages. And it not depend only machines. This is not only depend only machines. Okay. Whatever we will give, that one will be. Yes, machine only will depend. Which one? Machine will find the error. This is debug and error will find. Clear? That is the machine dependent. Okay. So my dear, we I teach on the high level language. It is used on third generations. Okay. Next I will teach you only the latest high level language. Okay. Thank you.